Alright, so I just started making a AI thing to play Geometry Dash. So you inject DLL, you get this, boom, then we go into like a level. First we have to load JSON file, Amogus. So we would go into a level. I just created this one as an example. You go into a level, and as you're playing, it's going to be gathering a ton of information. It gets like the hitboxes of all these objects using some witchcraft. So you get all that information, and then when you exit the level, it saves it as a JSON file with all that data in it, and that's right here. And then what you do is you bring that data into like over here. Because so far I've trained a model on this, but I don't know how to get TensorFlow to work in C++. So we're gonna do it the really long and really awful way of just going and like manually having it give me every frame that it's supposed to hold on. So that's what happens if I run that. See, I ran like this code, which basically looked at this test file, which was the level I just played. This is what it output. And this, by the way, this runs at a good old 610 FPS. And it gave me these numbers, which is the frames that it wants to like hold the mouse on. So, you know, like a good, oh, that's Streamlabs, like a good programmer, I've made a thing where I can just manually input all the frames that it's gonna hold on, because I don't know how to get TensorFlow working. So this is the roundabout way of doing it. I have Python generate the which frames I'm supposed to hold on. I just paste them in, and then now we're gonna show what that looks like. If Geometry Dash, no, and it's not even open. Geometry Dash, can you open? I'm trying to show something here. Come on, maybe this, no. Oh, come on, maybe this time you got this. Come on. What are you doing? Yeah, there we go. Don't worry about this spooky thing. So basically, we're gonna inject this one, which like I compiled this one with all just the frame data already in there, and then now loader thing, Among Us, you know, the usual. And then now we play the level, and you'll see as I'm playing, it says the frame number and if it's holding. Now, once I have stuff like TensorFlow implemented into this would be running in real time. Right now, it's just using the pre-processed data from Python, but it's doing the same thing. It's figuring out like where it should jump. It's just that it's like I do it in two separate pieces. But here we have it doing this, so we can see if it can beat the level. Now this is I made this level, like the program I've trained it on, like a bunch of like spikes, but it has never seen this level before. And this is the first attempt. And it was some triple spike. It works perfect. I don't know how it works. And I tried this with the level before this. This one, I tried it with this, and it works. Like it works first attempt. At least on like the two levels I've tried that it's never seen before, it worked first try. It is kind of slow to try stuff because I have to inject the DLL that records the data, then put that into Python, then run the model on it, get the frames, then put that back into here, and then recompile it, and then re-inject that. It's a whole thing because I don't know how to get TensorFlow working in C++. Yeah, but this works, and I'm surprised. Once I get this working with TensorFlow, I'm gonna have to try this, like training it on harder stuff, because right now it's just some spikes. It does it really well, but it's just some spikes. But I don't know what else to say, but you know, Among Us. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. It's like, it's 4:20 a.m. I'm 4:19. That's pretty close. But I'm gonna I don't know, probably watch some YouTube or something, maybe eat some ice cream, and then go to sleep. Come on, is it gonna be 4:20? Come on, I'm probably gonna edit this video. It's probably gonna take me like 20 minutes or something. Hey, 4:20. Alright, bye.